In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Snapchat notifications on your phone. So after watching this video, you will be able to turn off your Snapchat notifications. It's actually quite simple and it works on Android and iOS as well. So you don't even need Snapchat. So I'm going to close the Snapchat app right now and I'm going to find settings on my phone. You want to open settings on your phone as well. And then you want to find notifications, which for me is right there. So click on notifications, then you can scroll down and then recently sent, and you should be able to click on see all. Now, if you're on iOS, it might be different, but you just want to find notifications and then find a list of all the apps on your device. You then want to scroll down and you simply want to find Snapchat. For me, it's right there. You want to disable that, and by doing that, you can disable Snapchat notifications on your Android or iOS device. Now, if this video helps you out to disable Snapchat notifications, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment down below and let me know if this works. If it didn't, then I'll try to fix it. But that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.